our gate. Listen, we are at TGI Fridays, getting some food and drinks before we get on the plane. Thank you. Oh, it's hot, y'all. Oh, it's hot. Damn. Oh God, my suitcase. Yes, this is just great. It's just great. Where is the light? I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. Hey,
okay,
we're in Mexico, okay? You feel me? We're here. First stamp on the motherfucking passport, baby.
I didn't even look at it.
I looked at it. I said, oh my God.
Because I was so quick to put it up because we were recording and he said no.
Look at this. I need to get this.
Oh, they just picked one.
I need to know if he's gonna come back up behind me with a drink. I'm sweaty. I just did a makeshift. Look at him telling everybody. I have been passing out business cards this entire time, and they. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy, y'all. My business card's been in my pocket. I'm like, here, take one, take one, take one. I had to come out my sweatshirt because it's hot. Okay. I'm so excited to be here. Wow, that's crazy.
Finally.
Hello.
Hi.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh,
let me back up so we can move both cameras. Come on. I'm ready to jump in.
Wow. Wow.
Look at Corey in the back. Please.
Wow. Super smooth situation, guys. Really.
And
good, Corey?
Yes.
good, Corey.
Thank you. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. It's official. Oh,
6 devices at once.
correct. Oh, here we go.
Here's your card.
Thank you, thank you. First ride in the elevator, baby. We're going to the second floor. Horse.
Top floor with your hoe.
Top floor with your hoe, baby. Y'all, this resort is brand new. It's only been open for a year, and they're literally celebrating while we're here.
The floors are so clean, like.
What in the world? Look at this. Just look at where we are. They have a gate at the front. Okay, so there's no like folks are just coming in here. Like, no. You gotta show your reservation, baby. Yeah. All right, you guys, we just got to our room. We are at the RIU Latino, okay? And we have just stepped into the room right here on your right. You see the closet area. We do have robes. They have an ironing board for us. They have an iron down there, which I think is amazing. Okay, and then we have all of this closet space. Absolutely, closet space. Wait a minute. Close. And then you can open this side. We got some hangers, some extra bedding stuff up here. And then the safe is down here. So this is the whole closet area. Over here, oh my gosh, you guys. The mini bar. Are we joking? Look at what we have here. Not we got a liquor dispenser in here. Absolutely, okay, because we brought our tumblers. The ice machine is down the hall, so we are set. Our little coffee station, we got some bottled water, praise God, because you know we need some bottled water. And then here is our mini fridge. Oh my God, the fridge is stocked, bitch. No. Yeah. Here is our mini fridge, and not they stocked our fridge with all kind of stuff. What even is this? Is this beer? I see Pepsi, I see like ginger ale type stuff. I see more water. Oh my God, this is crazy.
You lie.
Girl, the fridge is full. Look at the fridge. Look at all this stuff.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's great. We know what the L saying.
Here's us. We have a full body mirror, okay? One thing about it, we need a full length mirror in a hotel room because baby, I need to see the full fit. All right, here is the air conditioning control right here. Y'all, I just love the vibe in here. Like, look at the geometric accents, okay? And then boom, here's the beds. So we got a double bedroom. And then of course over here we have our phone, our remote control, outlets, things like that. We have a little couch over here. I love just, look at the shades. Like, come on now. It's vibes. It's a whole vibe right here. A little sitting area with a table. And then you come to our balcony. Oh my goodness. Let me come out here and show y'all what we working with. It's so nice and warm out. 2 chairs out here with a little table. And here's our view. Oh my God, it smells like ocean, like it smells like salt. It smells so refreshing and calming, and it's so quiet, you literally can't hear anything. I don't even hear the waves, like it's so quiet. This is so crazy. And then we have just this patch of greenery here as well. What in the world, y'all? This is beautiful. Here's the birthday girl. Are you excited?
Yeah, it just hit me that we're actually here.
No, we're here for sure.
That's crazy.
We're here. We've checked in. So on this side is our wardrobe. Okay, so we have our dresser and a little bit of what I like to call counter space. And then this little area for the luggage. So we just have our matching Telfizis up here right now, but we could put our shoes down there. We could put our bags down there. It really doesn't matter. We've got the really nice and big TV right here, of course. And then, of course, you know, the star of the show, the bathroom. Let's get into her real quick because I'm about to go in here and use it. But oh my God, look at the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Oh, first of all, we're in our freaking like tank tops, t-shirts, whatever, because it's so hot. Here is the toilet situation. We've got tissue and all kinds of stuff over here. What is that? A bag? Okay. Double vanity. Love that. Towels. Lots of nice lighting in here. And then here is the shower. Absolutely, yes. Oh, you really gotta step in there to get that going. Absolutely. It's 10 out of 10 recommend, okay? This resort is new, okay? It's only been open for a year, you guys. They're celebrating 1 year. And I just think that it is so gorgeous. Like, just walking up here, the service was so amazing, and they brought our bags straight away because we're ready to change out of our airport clothes, put on our bathing suits and stuff. So I'm super excited to be here, y'all. It is an adults only resort. Are we joking? Yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend.
Hey y'all, the sound of gloss. Just kidding. Cheetah Girl is coming to see a
Look,
the reunion.
you can't really see me over here, but it's okay. You'll see me in a moment.
Yes.
Hello.
Barbie and Orange Dream
Hello.
coming to an ice cream truck near you. We have matching tumblers, so we need to get ice. And I was like, should I put water in the tumbler? Because we have all these bars, but I don't really need to put liquor in the cup. I really just need to put water in the cup so I don't pass out. Yeah. And Corey is showing her mega knees right now. So that's what's going on. You see it. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Okay, let's go.
Here's my first meal in Mexico. I'm having chicken fajitas, rice, and some pico. I kind of loaded my plate up so you really can't see. Let me turn it. Yeah, they got the lights off in here, so. Ooh, I can't wait to eat. We got our tumblers. We put some ice in here. It's actually just amazing. It's so hot here, y'all. I'm literally sweating. Ooh, we lit over here. All right, y'all. What we getting? You getting a pina colada? What am I gonna get? First drink while we're down here. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna do my margarita. That's what I've been thinking about all day. Oh, I smell the regular. I smell the regular. We are. It's like really disrespectful. It's okay. Can I have a margarita for me? Margarita?
Margaritas, one or two?
Pina colada.
Con piña colada o con margarita?
He looks like he's having fun. We made it to the beach, y'all. It is so beautiful out here. What in the world? The water is warm. It feels amazing. And y'all know how I am about the ocean, okay? I just got out and I cannot believe my life. We're really in Cancun. Hello? We're really in Cancun, y'all. I cannot believe it. Here is the swim up bar, y'all. Absolutely. We're getting in right now. No, the amount of tahini that's sitting at the bottom of
Bro,
this
that's what I was like, yo,
glass
because like all
at
that
the bottom is
all that
crazy.
was not necessary, bro. Not necessary, bro. Move your camera back here. Cause you getting none, y'all getting nothing but city action. And why do you keep closing like that? Where's the sensor at?
The sensor is has multiple, I think. Okay.
When I move, is
Okay.
it still recording?
Yeah, it is. It's still going.
I don't like y'all.
Yeah, look, we're still going.
What the fuck? I don't want y'all to slip. Look, put y'all right here.
Hey. Anywho, hi. So I'll get changed. We're about to go find some dinner.
What
and
this shit on? Walk around, video, hashtag. That's all I know.
we had a shower after the pool, swim up bar. Look, y'all gotta follow me on TikTok. Follow my personal. Follow K the Travel Plug because the TikTok is where all the content is. Because your girl is not bringing this $900 camera into the water ever in life. So yeah, I got some clips. We went to swim up bar. Went to the beach. It was great. Then we walk in and she's like, "You want a champagne with a cherry at the bottom, or do you want a pineapple margarita?" Like,
Not my freaking blush is exploding in here.
hey, let me get some of that dossier.
Yeah.
What is it? Woody rum. If you look at all the dossiers that I packed in my bag, they're all empty.
What the fuck was the point?
They're all at the bottom, so I have to tilt them a certain way. I got like 2 sprays out of mine. Anyway, I have on this purple dress, y'all. We both have on our chanclas. Because we're in Mexico, so duh. We got shot glass. Thank you. I've never smelled woody worm. Let's see. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah. I got like 2 sprays out of mine.
You know, that's my man's favorite scent on me.
Ooh, you better.
You heard what I said. Ah, I hate her so much. This mom getting bit now.
No, we was getting big because we smelled good without this shit.
Oh, the pheromones, bitch. The pheromones.
We have so many mosquito bites. So if you are traveling to Mexico, bring some off spray.
Please. If you love
or
yourself.
I don't even know if off makes, because I know traveling with sprays is kind of hard if you're not checking a bag. But off anything, because I have like 12 mosquito bites right now and it's so uncomfortable. Like I started feeling it when I got in the pool. Like when we were at the beach, we were fine. Beach, drinks, in the water, in the ocean, fine. And then we went to the pool, swim up bar to get drinks. I said, whoa, like it was like my whole body was on fire. And I was like, I didn't want to startle her, but I was like, yo, like I'm like this. I was like, I don't know what's happening, but I'm itching. And then it was getting dark, so we couldn't see.
And that's when the really get.
I said, hey, do you see something on me? I'm like, yeah, no. I'm actually getting bit the fuck up.
But see me, he keeps overloading my shots. So
more shots.
Like it wasn't until I took a shower. I said,
no, we're big up. No, she has bites even on her face. I have bites on my body, all over my body. So I'm just like, yeah, if you're coming to Mexico, please. I said, whoa, maybe that's one thing that I missed.
And don't drink the water.
We got bottled water, baby.
Where I just put the fridge.
It's giving like, is my foot hanging off the back of the? Okay, no, we're in there. Hey, I will never be that girl.
I'm just doing my brows right now because I know Corey's gonna snap me because we're gonna be out and it's gonna turn my birthday.
Oh yeah,
so sure. I want
so you do what you want to do.
Correct.
And you should. All right. For my vlog, we're done. Love you.
I
close up.
7.
Yeah, that's what I'm like. Mine says 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
That's great because hey, you know y'all be complaining about the vlogs before.
Oh, we got content now, baby.
What?
You should just be a twist.
It's not coming out.
Okay, let me stop the vlog. Absolutely not. Don't put any more
bitch,
in that cup.
Yeah, bitch, call me.
Don't put any more in that.
I'm a wild boy. I'm a wild boy.
Alrighty now.
You didn't throw your lemon away? You want it?
No, I don't. But
you don't want the lemon?
I don't want the lemon, but you know.
Listen,
whoa! We're at the mini bar now. Hold on. Whoa.
When are you ready?
All right, I'm ready. Gotta have 2 hands for this shit, man. Ooh, that's enough.
I just need some. That's the whole shot.
Oh, great. It measures. Yeah, I like that.
Sorry.
Don't fall. Cheers. Okay.
Listen up.
At this point, she's spilling drinks on herself. It's our first shot out.
I got the little bar thing to work.
It's our first shot out the mini bar.
Shot.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
I like that as well. All right, so we
We're
did the tequila.
It, trying to work for it. No, it's not how it goes.
Oh, hi. Wow, am I in this? Cheers. Oh, down.
I'm like, where do we tap?
Yikes. It's only bad for me.
This is our tagine on the ball.
It's only bad for me because it's tahini. Whew, that tahini is killing me. Why is the soda so different in Mexico? The soda's different, of course.
Yeah, the soda is so weird.
This is 7-Up. And well, the 7-Up is okay, but the ginger ale was like, woo, baby, no.
It must not be. It was a yellow can, so I was like,
Canada Dry is something, maybe not ginger ale, but it was not my cup of tea. Anyways, we about to go find us some dinner because we looking real good. We looking like dinner ourselves. And yeah, there's folks on my line talking about I miss you. So not you miss miss me because you see me on vacation in Mexico. Y'all gotta follow me on TikTok because y'all getting a full view over there. Peace out. We gonna go find something to listen. The vlog camera's not coming with me, so it's just my phone. Y'all gotta follow me on TikTok.
Damn, why do we trying to little spill shit on myself?
Love you, bye.
Hey, 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 so cute.
A buffet of who knows what.
You wouldn't like that.
No. Birthday girl. Cheers. The mussels are great. Salmon is great. Fried rice, basmati rice, broccoli, charred bell peppers. Absolutely. Tacos.
I told you she had to come back and redo her
Pastas. Yeah, I had to I'm not a buffet girl, so it's like I have to go and like try different things, and then I make a plate that makes sense. So that's my thing about buffets. I can't do it.
I can eye it.
I can't do it.
I want to say Feliz Navidad.
Not Feliz Navidad. Feliz cumpleaños, baby. It's your mother freaking birthday. Breakfast time. Here's my breakfast. And here's the birthday girl.
Moment, please, mimosa. Primero, happy baby.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
It's like the grilled cheese, but in taco form.
Very interesting.
Where you getting your omelet?
Tomatoes, onion.
Gracias.
Gracias. We'll get all the content right now. My shit looks light skinned. Getting started, y'all. 9:30 in the morning. Are you and Serena getting y'all's Renaissance movie tickets together? Because I'm gonna get tickets probably between Friday and Saturday, and I wanted to see if we all wanted to sit together and then go have drinks at Applebee's afterwards.
Yes, we do. Like, or even Don Teo's. Mexican.
She said the 7 o'clock show is filling up.
Okay. Which one is the soft? The straight hole or the multiple?
I don't fucking know how Mexico works, okay? Usually the salt is the one that has less holes.
Oh, bitch, this is pepper.
But that's crazy. That doesn't look like salt though, but...
Oh my god. The way I see caffeine, like...
We're done with this. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's so nice. Thank you. Wow. Oh, wow. To you. Happy birthday, dear Serena. Happy birthday. Yay, yay, yay. Hey, woo! Thank you. Oh. Oh, that's so cute. This bathroom is so cute, y'all. Had to get a clip. Oh my gosh, yes.
problem.
That's good.
You wanna try something? You're gonna try something? I'm gonna make you something.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. So literally we just decided that we're going on a catamaran tour. Come on over here with that tray now. I know. Corey's like, oh. Running for the liquor. Running for the liquor.
Running for the liquor back.
I was literally just about to get up and I said, oh, wait, let me sit here and get two cups.
No, he's turning around. Come back this way, sir, please. I'm thirsty.
My Thai, Long Island iced tea, tonic, beer.
Long Island.
Okay.
Long Island.
Here you go.
Gracias.
De nada. Yeah, what's my Thai? What's
My
that?
Thai is good. Very good.
All right, I'll try some.
Good, very good.
Gracias.
You like
All right. Yeah, for sure you're right on.
For sure you're right. 10.
Hello, hola. Bilingual, babes.
Shut the
Bilingual.
hell up! Shut the hell up. No, earlier I said, dos más. Corey said, ah, look at you.
Good job.
Two more.
You knew what to say. Good job. So proud.
Wait.
Bilingual mamas. Cheers. Happy birthday.
Suddenly we're getting on the boat,
Feliz
y'all.
cumpleaños. Baby. Feliz cumpleaños.
Paquito.
We know like 2 words. Yes, por favor. Ahí.
Hey guys, just trying to make sure she's in the camera. Why is she coming back? Yeah, I put her on to the right wave and 21 Savage song. Turks and Caicos. She's all vibing, her friends are vibing, we about to have some fun. That's it.
Hello. Just got out that Mexican water.
Yeah.
Got out that Mexican water.
You're gonna be editing and I'm like, hey guys, just making sure she's in the frame. All you're gonna see is dreads in my freaking arm.
We had to make sure we was in a frame, baby. All right, let's do it. Shoot. Oh. Y'all, this sun, it ain't playing around, okay? Can't even open my eyes, left my sunglasses inside. Whew. All right, time to go book our boat. Wow. Oh my goodness. Tacos with chicken, beef, charred veggies, pico, guac, rice, chips, chicken nuggets. Just just got in our van and we are heading to the boat, y'all. I'm so excited. We made it, y'all, to our catamaran. Oh my gosh, the wind is winding. Hola. Hola. Sorry. You know I gotta get the shot. Ah, gracias. Yes. Trying to get all the pictures and videos. Yeah, and I'm a AJ. Oh, we gotta leave our shoes here? Oh wow, look at our ride, y'all.
Hola, hola.
Hola.
Please, ladies.
Oh wow.
Dígale la familia Peluche. Okay.
Gracias.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, ahora, let me introduce our captain. Déjenme presentarles a nuestro capitán.
You heard it.
He coming from Isla Mujeres. Él viene de Isla Mujeres. Okay, acá les voy a dar de tiempo libre una hora. You're gonna have free time for you 1 hour.
Y'all. Zoom. You gotta pay to use the bathroom here. Oh wow. Renaissance. What? Absolutely.
Hey y'all, zoom the hell out. What's up with the focus? Hi guys, Corey just bought this hat. Y'all missed that. She just bought this sombrero. It's not gonna fit on my thick ass locks, but she just bought it because it's giving renaissance. And she just went to the bathroom. So I said, let me cut y'all on to catch y'all up to speed. So now we're at a restaurant before we get back on the boat. And she went to the bathroom. I think I said that already. I'm looking for my vlog camera so I can catch them up as well. If y'all don't have this camera, y'all need to get one. It's called a DJI Osmo Pocket. I hope that y'all can hear me over the music. But this is how it looks. It's super tiny. And it has autofocus. So, yeah. Hey, so we're at a new restaurant. Corey went to the bathroom, Banos, but here's where we are. The lobster tail is for you, love you. And honestly, Probably going to get nachos. When she comes back, I need to go to the Banos. I was like, ooh, lobster. Then I was like, I should just get lobster ceviche. This lobster ceviche, right, is $2.80 pesos. Hey, I'm talking to both our vlogs.
What are we talking about?
The menu.
What do they have? What do they
I
have?
think I wanted the lobster ceviche. If it's $2.80, it's just 15 cents less.
What? Okay, ceviche, yeah.
I said, I don't know if y'all can hear me because they're really jamming out here.
Woo! Hey y'all, what's poppin'? I want to do the shrimp ceviche. Shoot, this right here is crazy. Absolutely. Sombrero mama. I'm so cute with this hat on, y'all. I had to, sorry. I had to. There was no way around it. So yeah, we're leaving now. The sun has set. We're about to get back on the boat. Yep. To go, please. Por favor. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Ooh, baby.
Ahora sí, now. Come on, put your hands up.
We're on the bus and we're going. Oh,
Down.
ooh, it's a bumpy ride, y'all.
Good 45-minute
No,
drive.
but it's bumpy. It's bumpy. Love you. Thank you, Serena.
I didn't like the sports bar.
Thank you for
Damn.
Hey, thank you for inviting me here.
Bitch,
Yeah, but
damn. You're my best friend. What?
Zoom
Yeah,
out.
we're too close. Too close. And there's some birds.
love y'all. Bye. I just want y'all to see how humid it is out here because my camera instantly just fogged up. Last day in paradise, okay? And y'all can't even see it because this humidity is on 1000%. So yeah, but our view from the room is just beautiful. What happened now? Back to the bathroom. My girl is down bad, okay? Listen. My bun is leaning to the left, to the right, whatever way it's leaning, to the side. I can't even talk. Y'all, this trip has been so crazy, so fun. I can't believe that we're here and have been here for like a day and a half. But Last night, the boat party, baby, yeah. We got fucked up, okay? We literally had way too much fun, okay? And here's the revival meal, y'all. Woo. Last walk through this beautiful courtyard. We are heading up out of here, y'all. I'll be back next month, mark my words. Thank you so much. Mexico, you have my heart. Literally. So much fun.
Venga.